What is going on? This is your girl Adriana coming to you from beautiful California. I just finished an amazing workout and another commission came through. As you can see right here, that's a screenshot of another commission coming through with this simple step-by-step system. Okay, we have tons of testimonials. These are just some of the members' testimonials I have been posting in the group, saying they're earning commissions on a consistent basis. Okay, if you can copy and paste pre-written ads using different strategies on social media, you can have the ability to start earning extra income, okay? And the beautiful thing is that we have video tutorial trainings step by step. So it doesn't matter if you have zero experience, if you're willing to learn, if you're willing to open up your mind and learn the power of affiliate marketing, right? And how people are making six figures, multiple six figures, using this business model from the comfort of their own home, right? If you can do that, then you can get started today. I only want to work with people that are motivated, that are ready to change their lives. I only want to work with people that are ready to start watching the training, not only watch it, but start applying the training to start creating results, right? Once you get started, you will be added to my coaching Facebook group, where you can take a look at all the live coaching sessions I've had with other leaders and then myself. Okay, and then you'll also be added to our community group where you can see all the different testimonials. You can add your team members on there as well. So again, get started with the team today. It's a global opportunity. Really cool thing is that there are no monthly fees. Once you get started with one of the levels, okay, you're going to get access to the membership training site. You'll see all the different bonuses there. If you come in at the pro level, you get a vacation voucher from different locations. And the cool thing, right, to help you make more sales, you also get to offer that bonus training, that bonus offer, the vacation voucher, to your team members that come in at the pro level. You can only get that at the pro level, which is the top $300 level to get started. So get started with the team today. Visit infinityprocessingsystem.info and get access to my six-figure blueprint. Let's get it. Bye-bye.